Hi, welcome to another installment of Oracle DB Tutor. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install Oracle 12c. This is the newest Oracle software. Basically, one that's going to replace 11G or 2. So the first thing you do is you go to you open up a browser. I have so many windows open and my computer is starting to slow down, so I think I might need to restart it. So new window. Alright. So let me just take this one. There you go. And then I already have the link saved on here, so I'm just gonna go to that link. So basically, they do not have an express edition for 12c yet. So it's gonna have to be an enterprise edition that you install on your machine. So I'll give it some time, and I have I'm just gonna open this one up. Okay, so while my page is loading, I am going to basically show you what I did with my download. Okay, there you go. So now I have my now I'm on the software download page. So again, I'm working on Windows S64. So that's what I'm gonna install. You can see all. And on this page, I'm going to accept the license agreement. And then I'm going to download that is one of two and then two of two to have a complete Oracle software. So as I showed you last time, once you click on the agree, once you select the accept agreement, you go to you click on one of the downloads. It's going to take you to this page where you have to put in your credentials, your username, and your password. I'm not going to do that because I already have the Oracle software installed on my computer. So I have it. I have these two, one of one. I mean, 12c database one of one, one of two, and then two of two. So what I did, as I again showed you last time, I just extracted them into the directory that I wanted, and so make sure you have this window as well as the directory window open. So for me, I installed it in the D drive, so D app, and then this is where my local software is located. So I'm not gonna install it, but actually, you know what? No, it's actually installed here because I so the database the software one, package one and package two. I installed them in this directory, and this is actually where my Oracle base location is. So basically, okay, as I was telling you guys, the package one, package two are installed in this directory, the database directory, and then to basically install the software, I have to click on go to this click on this on this setup setup application to be able to install the software. So I'm just gonna do that. And by the way, I noticed the what you guys see in the background. That's the name of a consulting firm that I founded. Basically, I'll give you guys more details later on. So. Basically, I'm just gonna go through the Oracle Universal Installer. So pretty much, if you guys can remember, just to reiterate something that I mentioned earlier, the way that you bring your the way that you have this one file where you have all different all these different folders and applications is you need to basically extract it, copy that directory and paste it on here for you to be able to extract it prior. So I'm gonna cancel this because I already have that. And now I'm just going to wait for the Oracle Universal Installer to basically for it to completely open. Okay, so it's actually booting up now. Um, so again, just bear with me. I have a really slow system right now. Okay, so this page is definitely gonna look familiar. It's the same page that the same first page that you see when you're installing Oracle 11 GL2, or basically any version of Oracle. The email um, the email prompt for your if you're a member of the Oracle support network. I'm not, so I'm gonna um, deselect that I wish to receive security updates, and then click on next. It's going to ask me wish you remain on the phone. Yes, I do. And on this page, basically it's going to be the same thing. Do you want to download software updates? I currently do not want to do that. And basically this is really important when you actually have a production environment. But basically now they've just simplified, the update process. So now you can actually gain access to patches for your Oracle software. Like as soon as you boot up Oracle Universal Installer, which is personally I think this is a great additional feature to the Oracle toolbox. I'm gonna select skip software updates and then click on next. And then again, all these things look familiar, but you'd be surprised with what's coming up. Okay, this one is it's another familiar screen. Basically, where you can create a new database, or you can install a new software, or you can just update an existing database. So I'm just going to create a new one. Click on next. Again, you can either choose between a desktop class or a server class. Desktop is for your laptop or home computer, and server class is more for a production environment, where you're dealing with an actual server with different machines that are outputting in that server. And then this is a new page for your Oracle installation. So here you can actually you can configure your Windows user. For me, I've created a special Oracle user for my Oracle 12c. And that user, I've named that user Oracle underscore user 1. And I've assigned that user a specific password. And just so you guys can see what I'm talking about, I have this window open. But basically, I have that user basically where I can go ahead and manage that user's account. So I'm gonna click next. And this is a very important page. Again, this is where you get to set up your the base and Oracle software. So what I did is I actually basically, so this is probably the most important field on this page, because what you see is that you have have you're gonna install many different Oracle softwares, and basically you have to just remember that they have different they you be referring to them as by different names. So like what I've done is I've actually installed three so far. I've installed two 11GR2 and then one 12C. But this is gonna be my fourth my fourth Oracle software installation, and they're all referred to as ORCL. And then this is very important. So for this part, basically, you have to the global database name is basically going to be the name that's going to be recognized. The database name that's going to be recognized, across different networks. So what you do is you have to make this one very specific. So you need to have your IP address for you to be able to fill in this information. So what you do is you need to have a command prompt open. For me, I already have one open. I'm going to go to host, and I'm going to issue the command if config. It's been just not cooperative, so I'm gonna open up a new window, a new command prompt. Okay, and then on this page, I'm going to issue the command if config. Okay, there you go. So this is my IP address. So what you do is you ignore the first three digits, and you just put in the last three sets of numbers. So it's, for me, it's 168.2.4. Okay, I'm going to minimize this and then come back to this page. You see I have my global database basically set in. I'm going to assign a password to my sys and system accounts. I'm actually going to upload a new video later on how to use a pluggable database name, but for now I'm just going to uncheck that, and then click on again. I also prefer to use Unicode, and then click on next. And then so now it's going through the different verifications for different like settings or for your Oracle softwares. Now also, as I told you guys last time, basically you have to, if you experience any kind of difficulty with this installation, and basically you get to the point where you want to give up. Remember I told you last time you have to you need to basically you need to go ahead and remove pretty much everything that you've installed so far by going to this directory in local machine and getting rid of basically all of your previous um, settings and configuration. You have to get rid of all of them before you can start the installation over again. And the way that you do that is, as I just showed you, you go to run and you open up Mesh Edit. So here I'm done. Like all these configurations are basically are the, you know, they will open, they will basically allow for my software to be installed. I can either save a response file, or I can basically just install it right away. So I'm gonna install it right away. And also for saving a response file, it's basically once you save it, you can actually run another setup or another installation using the response file that you create. So I'm gonna install. And if you guys can basically like what I've done is this is my DB Home 2. If you pay attention to the previous screen that I had, this is my DB Home 2. So this is my second software. So I've actually I'm gonna show you guys that what I've already done. I have created I've created DB Home 1, which is my which is the original software that I installed, and I'm just going to DB Home 2. And I'm actually going to pause right now, and basically I'm going to show you. I'm going to bring you guys back when when this is all completed. And again, as I discussed it with you guys last time, when it comes to installing the Oracle software, you're gonna be you're gonna basically encounter this prompt windows, and make sure to you know, select your make a selection for your the type of network you wanna you like. So I'm gonna select private network and then click allow access. Again, this is just another give me 1 second. This is another basically prompt. Again, I'm gonna select the private networks and allow access. But basically on this window, if you notice that I have the basically warning that the configuration system failed. I'm just gonna ignore that for right now, and then click on OK. And then for this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip this one, and so pretty much everything else should start running. So my the database configuration system is open now. So what I'll do is I will okay, so basically installation is done, and if you notice what I had to do, I had to basically just ignore couple of errors that I experienced while I performed the installation. So when you're done, you just click on next, and your Oracle software should be ready to be used. And then you just close your OUI Oracle Universal Installer window. You go into your you go into directory where you install your Oracle software. And I installed mine here. And product version 1, and this is my Oracle software. And so I have I'm going to start my Oracle software right now. So I'm going to go to SQL Plus. And I'm going to connect as user system. Screen alert. I'm going to show you guys how to do it on this one. So for user system, this is what I do. I am going to use SQL Plus. System. And there you go. I have my Oracle software, Oracle 12C Enterprise Edition installed, and just basically make sure that I have to see what user I am. So just show user system and select name from the database. Name my database, of course, or CL3. So pretty much this is it. I have my Oracle software installed, and I can basically start using it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you guys next time.